All right. So with this, if P as a point having coordinate to be -7 and 8 is reflected in the line x minus 2 equals 0, we have to find the coordinate of the image of P. This is WASSCE 2024, the September edition, the objective question number 5. So with this, we can start with the line here. This is a line of the middle line, the reflection, which says x minus 2 is equal to 0. Let's know the value of x in this equation. If you add 2 to both sides, that makes x to be equal to what? Positive 2. So we are reflecting, making the x to be equal to 2 as the middle line. So that's our middle line. Now, what is the point P, which is x, y? If this point is translated to point P1, which is the image, we are going to have the reflection using x equals to 2 as the middle line is 2k minus x and y, meaning we are only making the change on the x-axis, leaving the y-axis unchanged, where the k is the value of the x, which is the 2. So in this case, where k is going to be what? 2. So if you substitute your point P, which is having the coordinate -7 and 8, will be translated to the image to be 2 times k, and that 2 will replace the k, which we are having here, then minus x, which is the value we have for x, so minus -7, which is the value of x, then the y remain unchanged. So P -7, 8 will map to the image as this is going to be 4, right? Negative will become positive. So 4 plus 7, that will be 11. So I'll be having 11 and what? 8. So the image, this is the image, right, of P. Which values here are the option will give us the image of P. This is going to be the option D, 11, 8. I guess this is also simple for you. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and share.